We're gonna make a... Hi guys, and welcome back to another Tips Studio production. Today I'm back with another really delicious poolside mocktail. We're gonna make a mojito or non-alcoholic mojito. So what you need for this, you need mint, sugar, lime, ice, and some soda water. So easy peasy recipe. It's gonna just take a couple of minutes of your time and you can then go and enjoy it by your poolside. First thing first, you need just a handful of mint. I'm gonna get rid of the stem and just put the leaves in my glass. Ooh, what am I doing? Yeah. I like it a bit more. I like the freshness of the mint, so I'm gonna add a bit more. You can just add as much as you enjoy. That goes there. Then you need like about two teaspoons of sugar. Then what you need to do, you take out your muddler and just press it a couple of times just to release the oil from your mint. Perfect. The next step, take half a lime, just divide it in two and add it into your glass. You can either use a fresh lime juice, which I would highly recommend. If not, just use some store-bought lime juice and pour it into your mix. Just gonna add that one in. That one goes in as well. Again, muddle. I mean, it's more than a muddle. Not gently press, but like press a bit harder just to get that lime flavor out. Press it. Perfect. And then you just put your crushed ice in. I didn't have a crushed ice. I'm using this small cubes, which are now, I can't show, okay. These ones, they look quite cute. And you add them into your glass. Last step, just top it up with some soda water. Easy peasy. Perfect. And it's done. Your mocktail in less than a couple of minutes. And give it a good stir. And go and enjoy it by your poolside. But let's give it a taste first. Refreshing, non-alcoholic mojito. Cheers! Let me know if you like this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Obviously, we're the Tips Studio, and I'm gonna come back with more fresh mocktails for your summer. Bye for now.